I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the push to talk option on Discord. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do is open Discord. You can do this on the website version, the desktop application, or the phone application as well. And then go to your user settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you are here, you need to scroll down until you see voice and video, or you can also search for it right here. Then click on voice and video, and you will see the input mode, which by default, you might have it right here. And if you want to enable push to talk, you just need to click here and select a shortcut to push. So whenever you want someone to hear you, you need to be holding that key. So for example, you want to record the B keybind, you just need to click there and press B. And now if you press V, if you hold the B key, people will be able to hear you on the voice chat. And if you are not holding that key, people won't hear you. So that's it. You can switch between the different input modes just by clicking it right here. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.